Imagine having a beautiful outdoor space that not only looks stunning, but also offers cutting-edge technology and reliable long-term performance. That's what you get with Apex Plus. Eva-Last's innovative material takes the benefits of Apex Composite to the next level, offering the natural look of wood with an improved structure. Our specialized bamboo-foamed PVC and glass fiber reinforced core composition minimizes expansion and contraction for a more stable board. This allows for increased span capabilities, saving time and money by reducing the amount of substructure required for your project. Apex Plus is low maintenance, with only basic cleaning required for optimal longevity. And its protective cap, made from a resilient acrylic polymer coating, offers long-term fade, scratch, and stain resistance. Apex Plus also offers decay resistance against insects, moisture, and the elements, making it the perfect choice for outdoor projects. But that's not all. Apex Plus is also eco-friendly, helping curb deforestation over its 30-year lifespan and by using solar power in the manufacturing process. We also ensure no production materials go to waste, further reducing our environmental impact by salvaging and reprocessing materials to produce new boards. With its dual-tone color range, Apex Plus adds an additional layer of color to each board, embracing the nuances found in timber and enhancing the natural look of your project. With its slip-resistant cap, Apex Plus provides reliable long-term performance and timeless style. Apex Plus is available in 2 profile designs to suit the requirements of both large-scale or smaller projects. With Apex Plus grooved boards and square-edge boards, you can construct the perfect deck. And all profiles can be cut and installed using standard tools. For the trims on your deck, standard Apex fascias can be used to complete the installation. Apex Plus is the ideal choice for anyone looking for a beautiful and resilient composite material for their outdoor space.